AMU installation and app usage detailed tutorial. After receiving the package, please confirm whether the accessories are complete. Single-tone lock body, 2 spare keys, installation screw pack, 5 access cards, a data cable, and front and rear handles. Installation tutorial. Install the lock body. Then screw on the 2 copper pillars of the front handle. Install the square rod. Then install the front handle on the door first. Install the spring. Install the rear handle. Install the 2 fixing screws. Then connect the power cord. Be careful not to insert the interface in reverse. Align the pins inside. Install 4 3A batteries. The product does not include batteries. Tighten the battery cover screws. Installation complete. AMU usage tutorial. Please read it patiently. Please light the lock first. Then click Add Device in the app. Click to connect. Connection successful. If you cannot connect to the app, you can try to restore the factory settings. Use the card pin to long press the button inside the back handle. The indicator light on the front handle turns green and it is done. Turn on normally open mode. Long press the rear handle button and release it when you hear the motor working. Same thing with closing. Connection gateway. First connect the power supply. Open the device scan in the app. Click to connect to the gateway. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. Waiting for connection. Connection successful. Then select the device you want to connect to the gateway. Connection completed. Add family members via app. Scroll down to find the member management. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner to add your family members. Fingerprint setting tutorial. Scroll down to find the member management. Select the user to set fingerprint. Click to add. Fingerprint entry from multiple sites enables better identification. Add a password. When unlocking with a password, press to confirm after entering the password. Add IC card. When using IC card to unlock, you must wake up the lock first, otherwise it cannot be sensed. Send temporary password remotely. Even if you are in another city, you can send. Click on the dynamic password and click Get Password. If your square rod is tilted, the lock cylinder cannot turn. The square bar must be in the correct position for the key to turn. In the second case, the square rod is in the correct position but still cannot rotate. The lock cylinder may be stuck and you need to push the key hard and turn it.